Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Trading Channel. My name's Greg. Today we're going to take a look at the British Pound Australian Dollar. This is a follow-up video to one I posted regarding the potential for a stop hunt. If you haven't seen that video, link will be in the description below. Go and check that out and it will give you the context to what we were looking at. So we were looking at the pound Australian with these strong moves up. We put in this big bullish move, and then we just started to sort of put in this channel, bit of consolidation, accumulation, call it what you will. And I advise that we may push down and retest this area here. In fact, we didn't quite push down that far. We just pushed down to the tops here, off of this little level here. Before reversing. I advise that we may see some accumulation before that happened, and that is exactly what we've got. This little bit of accumulation here before popping back down below the level. Plenty of chances to get involved. I had this nice strong bullish move back into the channel. You can see here that this breakout would have encouraged all the breakout traders, as suggested. We had a nice little pullback, and then we started to fall away from the level again. So perhaps some retracement traders got involved here, and then we had this big, strong bullish candle back inside the level. Now you could have got in there. You could have waited for a little bit of a push down. A nice little entry here, and again we actually retested that, failed to break back below that sort of key area, and there was a nice little entry here if you missed all that. So if you did manage to get involved down at this level, obviously stops would have had to have gone below the low. So that's about a 60 pointer, and we pushed right back up to this level. If you take it to the exit point, it was about a nearly a 2.8, 2.8 to 1. If you had a set 3 to 1, then you would have made that. Unfortunately, we didn't push any higher. Now, I did have extended targets on this pair. As you can see, we did push quite successfully back up to the top side of the channel, but we failed to break it with any significant meaning. We got a push above, but it didn't really follow through. If we pop out to the daily, you'll be able to see here we had the October 18 highs. So a break above there would have been a significantly bullish move. However, you can see almost to the pip we failed to follow through. Dropping down to the 60, we put in a little pin reversal at the top here, signifying a failure to go any further. That would have been a key indicator to take some profit, roll your stops, however you manage your trade. I had a couple of positions running on this particular trade, so I took one position off here, rolled my stops to break even. We then broke that back down. I thought perhaps it was just a little retracement, perhaps we might go further, and then unfortunately it just totally capitulated. Now I am still bullish on this pair, however we will have to wait and see. Next week there is a Brexit vote, so I'll probably be giving the pound pairs a miss, at least until that has concluded. Anyway, traders, I hope you enjoyed this sort of content. If you do, give it a like, give it a share. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. And as always, don't forget to trade safe, and I'll see you in the next one.